Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Wahl Detailer Replacement Blade is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to maintain the pristine cutting performance of their Wahl Detailer trimmer, ensuring that those sharp lines and intricate designs remain as crisp and clean as the day you bought it, because a dull blade can turn a professional grooming session into a frustrating tugging match, making this small but mighty part a true game changer for barbers and home users alike. Number 5. Wahl Professional Extra Wide T-Blade. Introducing the Wahl Professional Extra Wide T-Blade. Experience precision grooming like never before with its superior design. Achieve your desired look with ease. This tool offers adjustable settings for personalized styling. Get incredibly close cuts thanks to its zero overlap capabilities. It ensures a clean and sharp finish every time. Designed for high precision, it allows for intricate detailing and professional results. Achieve perfection in every stroke. Trust in professional quality for your grooming needs. This blade is built for durability and exceptional performance. What we like. This blade offers an extra wide cutting surface for faster coverage. Its adjustable and zero overlap capabilities ensure a clean, precise cut every time. If you're looking for efficiency and a sharp finish, this is the blade for you. What people say. Sharp blades that don't nick you. Fit perfect and was easy to put together. This replacement blades were easy to install on my Wahl trimmer, took like less than 5 minutes to install, and they are of high quality, they're super sharp and they align very well. Number 4. Wahl Professional T-Shaped Trimmer Blade. Achieve unparalleled precision with this T-shaped trimmer blade. It's designed for intricate detailing in clean lines. This is the ideal replacement blade for your Wahl Detailer and Hero trimmers. Ensure your tools are always performing at their best. Crafted for professional use, this blade offers exceptional sharpness and durability. Experience the quality Wahl is known for. Swapping out your old blade for this new one is quick and simple. Get back to grooming without any hassle. For barbers and stylists who demand accuracy, this blade is essential. It allows for the finest work and sharpest edges. Keep your favorite trimmer in top condition with this genuine replacement part. It ensures consistent performance cut after cut. What we like. Designed as a precision replacement, this T-shaped blade is perfect for your Detailer and Hero trimmers. It guarantees a seamless fit and optimal performance. If you need a reliable, direct replacement to restore your trimmer's cutting power, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The T-shaped design allows for accurate detailing, edge-ups, and tight lines. Adjustable blade alignment ensures versatile usage, from close cuts to slightly longer trims. The blade provided a smooth and precise trimming experience, excelling in detailed work such as shaping beards, necklines, and designs. Number 3. Wahl 2215 T-Wide Ceramic Replacement Blades. Experience a superior trim with these high-quality ceramic replacement blades. Designed for precision and durability, they ensure a smooth and clean cut every time. Achieve detailed styling with the T-Wide design. These blades offer enhanced coverage and accuracy for all your grooming needs. Enjoy a cooler, sharper cut thanks to advanced ceramic technology. It stays sharp longer and reduces friction for ultimate comfort. Specifically engineered for the Wahl 8081 Detailer T-Wide trimmer. Installation is quick and easy, getting you back to grooming in no time. Invest in longevity. These blades are built to last, providing consistent performance through countless grooming sessions. Don't settle for less. Elevate your grooming routine with these essential replacement blades for a professional finish. What we like. This set features durable ceramic blades that stay sharper for longer and resist heat. The T-Wide adjustable design offers versatility for various styling needs. If you prioritize longevity and a cooler cutting experience, this two-piece set is a great value. What people say. These ceramic blades give the smoothest cut and cleanest lines. Great quality, sharp. Number 2. KBDS Professional Replacement Clipper Blades for Wahl. Experience precision cutting with these professional replacement blades. Designed for optimal performance, they ensure a clean and accurate trim every time. These blades offer adjustable settings for customized haircuts. They are compatible with various Wahl models, providing versatility for all your styling needs. Crafted for durability, these parts are built to last. Trust in their reliability for consistent results, session after session. Specifically designed as replacement parts for Wahl clippers. They ensure a perfect fit for models like the 5-star Senior and Magic Clip. Elevate your grooming experience with these high-quality clipper blades. They are the ideal upgrade for maintaining your Wahl clippers' performance. Achieve professional-level results at home. These blades deliver the sharpness and precision that barbers and stylists rely on. What we like. With a standard 2-hole design, this blade offers broad compatibility with popular Wahl clippers like the Senior and Magic Clip. Its adjustable feature allows for customized cutting lengths. If you own specific Wahl models and need a versatile, compatible replacement part, this is a solid option. What people say. They fit my trimmer, they cut much shorter than the Wahl blades when set to 0. Sharp and fit good. Cutting wise, it cuts great, I had no problems with it snagging hair, and on a 7,000 revolutions per minute cordless motor, it did great in that department. Number 1. Wahl T-Wide Gold-Plated Blade Set. Experience unparalleled precision with our gold-plated T-Wide blade set. Designed for intricate detailing, it ensures a clean and sharp cut every time. Achieve the closest possible cut with the adjustable zero overlap feature. This allows for incredibly fine lines and seamless fades, giving you complete control. Featuring DLC and titanium coating, these blades offer superior durability and reduced friction. Enjoy a smoother, cooler cutting experience that lasts. Specifically designed to fit your cordless detailer, this blade set ensures perfect compatibility. Effortlessly enhance your favorite trimmer's performance. Elevate your grooming game with professional-grade tools. This blade set is built for barbers and stylists who demand the best in performance and quality. Unlock new levels of detail and precision in your work. It's the essential upgrade for achieving sharp outlines and intricate designs with ease. What we like. Experience premium performance with its gold-plated construction, enhanced by DLC and titanium coating for superior durability and reduced friction. The zero overlap feature ensures the closest possible cut. If you demand the highest level of precision, longevity, and a premium feel for your cordless detailer, this blade set is the ultimate upgrade. What people say. Setting straight from factory gets a close clean cut with less irritation. Perfect fit. Easy to change out. Cuts clean and leaves my head, neck, and face super smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.